Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? First, make sure the iPhone battery is above 20% and low power mode is off. Low power mode can reduce screen brightness. Open Settings, then Accessibility, then Display and Text Size to reach the key controls. Once there, find Auto Brightness and the Attention Aware Features setting. Both directly affect automatic dimming. This immediate path gets you to the controls without detours, so you can change behavior and see effects as you go. Don't pause, act now. Now you'll change the core settings. Turn off auto brightness in accessibility to prevent the iPhone from adjusting brightness based on ambient light. Next, go to Settings, right arrow Face ID and Passcode, and disable Attention Aware Features, because the True Depth camera can dim the screen when it thinks you're not looking. Then return to Display and Brightness, set your preferred brightness manually, and disable Night Shift or reduce white point if they alter perceived brightness. These steps stop automatic changes and give you control. Finish by testing. Lock and unlock the phone, move between bright and dim lighting, and confirm the screen holds the brightness you set. If the problem persists, restart the iPhone and install any pending iOS updates, because software fixes sometimes correct display issues. As a stronger step, go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Reset all settings. This restores defaults without erasing data. If none of that works, contact Apple support. One key troubleshooting tip is to reset all.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.